These aren't the droids you're looking for. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public speaking with today's tip. You know, there's a little Jedi mind trick that we play on ourselves, or that we can, to get better at what we do. Kind of works like this. All of us know that our emotions affect our body language. That's no surprise. If you're sad, you look sad. If you're happy, you got a bounce in your step and you look happy. But what we often forget is that the opposite is just as true. Yes, that's right. Your body language can actually affect your emotions. Now, I first learned this when I visited a call center, and I noticed that all of the cubes where folks were answering the phones had a mirror hanging up. Each of them were required to look into that mirror and smile before they answered the phone. Now, why would they do that? The reason is because their body language was affecting their emotions, causing them to feel happier, and it was so pronounced that callers could hear it on the phone. It works for you too as a public speaker. What this means, if you're not feeling confident, stand as if you are, and you will begin to feel more confident. Your audience will respond to you because they see you speaking confidently, and it will snowball. Join us for more tips next time.